I haven't pulled one, but makes them a little bit better than Prizm Football. Prizm Football's kind of trashy for odds, but I got the variations. We got 4 orange ice prisms, autos or mem cards, and some other details on the back. But it seems like we've been getting a silver in every box, so that's kind of nice. I think it's been like maybe 1 to 2 silver rookies per break, so maybe it'll be a big one tonight. Orange cracked ice are kind of hard to find the rookies too, so we shall see. I'll give it a little bit of time here. We'll go ahead and get started. Got 8 boxes to bust through. Break usually takes about 28 to 30 minutes. So if you got to take a nap and come back, I'll do a little recap at the end of what all we pulled, but I hope you'll stay tuned throughout the video. Yeah, I don't know. It always does this at the beginning of a release. They're really expensive, and then they dip a little bit, and then at the end of it all, they come back up, and sometimes go even higher than they originally were, so it's weird. There's a lot of boxes out there that the value of the box is so far outweighs like the price of the best card that you can pull. It's just like there's one chase card in there, and it's just 100% gamble at that point. So I don't know. Chris Middleton, Dante DiVincenzo, Robert Covington, Danny Green, Kevin Herter, Thaddeus Young, Draymond Green, first silver. Oh, there's a James Harden. Still got him in a Rockets uniform, but that's all right. It's a nice card there. Got a rookie, Desmond Bane, green. Nice one for the Grizzlies. He's actually not too bad. Tyrese Halliburton, instant impact for the Kings. I got an Allen Iverson Team USA for the Sixers. I didn't say that at the beginning, but the Team USA cards, I don't like sell a Team USA spot, so they just go to the team who the player played for the longest during their career. So, like, he'll go to the Sixers. I think we had a Drexler who went to the Blazers. Garnett went to the T-Wolves, stuff like that. Jimmy Butler, dominance. Looks like we have another Kings rookie here. Robert Woodard. Those cracked ice look sharp. Nice one there. Matisse Thybulle, second-year card there for the Sixers. Same thing here. Jarrett Culver, his second-year card. There's Hassan Whiteside. It's our last cracked ice. Jordan Nwora, rookie for the Bucks. Bradley Beal. We got a Malachi Flynn rookie for the Raptors, and Jake Layman. So that actually wasn't a bad box. We got more rookies than I expected. So we've had some boxes where you don't even get a cracked ice rookie. So it's good that we snagged one out of there. Got a Halliburton insert. A Desmond Bane rookie. Green rookie as well. Somebody in the group, I forget his name, but he asks for Desmond Bane cards like once a week. I remember accepting the post to be like, show me your Desmond Bane. I forget his name though. I think maybe Andrew. It's somebody. I don't know what he's got on his mind. Maybe he's just a Grizzlies fan. All right, no LaMelo or LeBron tribute card in box number 1, so the chase continues into box number 2 here. Looks like we have a sensational swatches in there. A nice little addition. Got a Trey Young. What would this be? His third year card. Probably PSA 10, $2,000 right there. Josh Hart. Will Barton. Buddy Hield. Daniel Tice. Miles Bridges. Here comes our swatch. They've been upside down, so I'm just going to go ahead and go for it upside down and see if that's right. Oh, Bradley Beal. It's been all veteran players. This is the 4th or 5th one I've pulled. They've all been veteran players, so probably going to reveal the next card. Oh, the next one's nice. Sorry about that. Got a silver Isaac Okoro right behind it. There's your Bradley Beal. A little white patch there. That's nice. Dang, this is one of the better silver rookies I think I've gotten so far. I haven't gotten but maybe 4 or 5 total, so that's very nice. Juan Hernan Gomez for the T-Wolves. Got a Dominance Kimball Walker. Kyra Lewis Emergent. Precious Achua. Instant impact there. We'll get our cracked ice. Is this Kawhi? It is a Kawhi Leonard for the Clippers. Kevin Knox Jr. Udoka Azubuike for the Jazz, a little rookie there. I butchered his name. Daniel Tice, cracked ice for the Celtics. Got DeMar DeRozan. James Wiseman, rookie. I hate that photo, but good to see his rookie card. Darius Garland, 2nd year, and CJ Ellaby, rookie for the Blazers. So that was actually a pretty good box. Got a silver rookie for the Cavaliers. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of this photograph for some reason. I just do not like it at all, but you guys may disagree. Azabuki. Oh. Somebody else had that name, but it was spelled differently in another sport. I forget who, what, when, or where. Who's that one Okafor guy that was so hyped coming out of college? Was it Emeka Okafor? Was that basketball? I always go back to Greg Oden and that whole fiasco, but I want to say there was an Okafor guy who played for UConn, maybe, who was just super hyped coming out of school back 15, 20 years ago. Didn't really work out for him. I don't remember his name, though. It was a Mecca. Okay. I don't know how I feel about the white patch. I kind of like it. Kind of stands out there. Wasn't he like super hyped though? I feel like he was like borderline Greg Oden hype. And he just was kind of okay. Yeah. Alrighty. Daniel House Jr. Ish Smith. Harrison Barnes. Tim Hardaway Jr. Vince Carter. Derek White. Shake Milton. Jonas Valanciunas. A silver Bryn Forbes for the Spurs. Have a green Marvin Bagley. I think we got this card in the last break for the Kings. Got a Steph Curry, Team USA. It's pretty simple who that one goes to. Jalen Smith, Instant Impact. Oh, this is the first silver Instant Impact I think I've seen. Definitely today, the first one. Saddiq Bey, not a bad one there for the Pistons. Nice looking card. Oh, we got that big boy. Oh, how old is he? I thought I read something today where he's 23 years old. That'd blow my mind if that's the case. I feel like he's older than that. I got a Josh Green, cracked ice rookie for the Mavericks. Matthew Dellavedova and Otto Porter Jr. Miles Turner, got a Desmond Bain rookie, and Skylar Mays rookie for the Hawks. Yeah, somebody had a picture up of Nikola Jokic. He was like 17 or something and weighed like 300 pounds. And then they had a picture of him at 23 looking like he is now. I'm thinking the picture's probably a little bit old, but I don't know how old he really is. Looks like he could be 30-something. The Joker. Another silver rookie. It's an insert, but pretty sweet looking. We're 3 boxes deep. Still looking for the LaMelos and the LeBrons of the world. Top loader's got something funky in it there. 26, I got you. So that picture is a couple years old. He's still young, though. That makes me feel pretty old. You never tell which side's the top and which side's the bottom. I like how tends to be a silver in every box. Hope that's always going to be the case. John Collins, George Hill, Doug McDermott. Oh, yes, we got one. Sweet. The LeBron tribute. I guess they do consider it a base card. All the listings I see show it as a super short print. Or not a super short print, but a short print. But it is mixed in here with all the base, so I don't know that it's actually a short print. Josh Okogie, Frank for the Knicks. Got Mitchell Robinson, Troy Brown Jr. Got another silver for the Spurs, Patty Mills. Yeah, the LeBron was a little off center there. Rudy Gobert green for the Jazz. Dominance, Devin Booker. Aaron Nesmith, Emergent. Isaac Okoro, Instant Impact. Get our cracked ice here. Ricky Rubio, Norman Powell, Precious Achua. So many cracked ice Precious Achuas. We've only done 4 breaks like this. I think I've pulled, 3, maybe 4. Which is kind of abnormal. Hey, there's a Ja Morant cracked ice. That's nice looking. His second-year card. CJ McCollum. I'm not sure what's going on here, but Luke Kennard upside down. A Tyler Hero base card as well. The layout of these hangers is so random. We've had at the back, you'll get 3 cards. one of them will be a rookie. That time we had 3 cards, no rookies. And then sometimes you get 4 base-looking cards with 2 rookies. I don't know what that's all about. Yeah, it's definitely way off-centered. Left's like double and top's almost double. It's a pretty bad one, actually. It's a sweet-looking card, though. I'm not a fan of horizontal cards, but it does kind of make it stand out. Stand out to all the other ones. I didn't notice either they made it the #1 card in the set, I guess. Kind of cool. Still have yet to see an auto. Do they exist? Or is it a marketing scheme? De'Aaron Fox, Dylan Brooks, Bogdan Bogdanovic, Eric Gordon, Josh Richardson, Shabazz Napier, SGA for the Thunder. Ooh, yeah, Theo Maledon. Another silver rookie here for the Thunder. Yeah, that one actually looks really good centering-wise. A nice-looking card there. We have a green. This is Karis LeVert. It is. Still got him on the Nets there. This is a sophomore stars insert of Cam Reddish. We got an instant impact Obi Toppin for the Knicks. There we go. We got a LaMelo emergent rookie. It's a good start at least. Nice Donovan Mitchell, cracked ice. DeAndre Jordan, Luke Kennard, Nikola Vucevic. So no rookies out of there, unfortunately. Bruce Brown, Manuel Quickley, nice rookie for the Knicks. Isaiah Stewart for the Pistons, and Enes Kanter for the Celtics. Man, I went back and watched that buzzer beater that the Zags hit. My goodness. I have Baylor win it all, and everyone else in the group that I'm in has Gonzaga win it all. I literally would have been locked for the win if that hadn't happened. That's just the way it goes. That's March Madness for you. I couldn't believe it when somebody told me that. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Now I have to have Baylor beat Gonzaga to have a chance to take the pot. Yeah, that's true. He did. He knew I was going down. That's what I'm talking about, Ron. I like to hear it. I think we did $50. It was 4 of us got in on it. We did $50 a piece, so I'm either out 50 or I'm up 150. We'll see what happens, I guess. What is it, Monday night? And you better know, if Baylor wins, I'm letting them hear about it. Because all three of them went with the mega #1 seed Gonzaga bandwagon. That's all they are. All right. John Collins, George Hill, Doug McDermott. Hey, we got another shot at it. Let's look at this one here. This card's definitely going to pop up a lot more than people realize, I think. Because we've pulled 2 of them in the last 2 or 3 boxes. Still off-center, though. That might be the kicker, is finding one that's really nicely centered. Heavy on the left, heavy on the top. It is pretty much the same as that other one. So you say not as bad, but it actually is pretty bad. Vaka Zubac, Carmelo Anthony, James Harden, Cam Reddish. Oh my gosh. Actually, I felt my heart flutter just then. Hang on, give me a second to catch myself. We got a LaMelo silver in my hands right now. Oh, sweet mother. Look at that. Jeez Louise. It is off-centered. But it's still LaMelo silver. Tap it. Give a little centering tap there. Oh, my Atlanta. Yeah, so it's, I don't know, it's pretty heavy on the right side. The top looks a little heavy too, but yeah, I mean, that's a good point. Like, it's $300 a minimum to send it in, I think, now, so. Jeez Louise. Yeah, I heard PSA is pretty lenient on centering, but that's noticeable to the naked eye, which I don't think they would give you a 10 for that. I mean, I have seen cards where they do, but that one's pretty noticeable. Dennis Schroeder, green. Aaron Nesmith, emergent. Saddiq Bey, instant impact. Hey. Onyeka Okongwu got a silver emergent rookie of him. Is this the same hanger? Yeah, they put 2 silvers in there. That's nice. Bismack Biyombo, cracked ice. And Kyrie Irving. Got a Malachi Flynn. Cracked ice for the Raptors. And Domantas Sabonis. Cracked ice for the Pacers. Tobias Harris. Onyeka Okongwu, rookie again. And Saddiq Bey, rookie for the Pistons. Man, some of these cards are atrociously off-centered. In all honesty, I don't know what the silver... I'm sure somebody's already gotten one graded. Like Mega Express or whatever it is. Walk through. It may actually be worth it to do that. I don't know if you're trying to flip it fast. Have one of the first ones graded. Even if it's not a 10, I would imagine it still go for more than the $300 or $500 to get it graded, whatever it is now. Whew, well, that was fun. All right, we got 2 boxes left still, though. Davis Bertans, John Wall, Paul George, Draymond Green, Dirk Nowitzki, Jimmy Butler, Seth Curry. Ooh, got a silver Steph Curry for the Warriors. That's nice. That's sweet. Green Desmond Bain. Didn't we already pull this card earlier? I know we have a colored Desmond Bain. I think it is green. David Robinson, Team USA. That's an interesting one. Dominance, Anthony Davis. Got an Obi Toppin, emergent rookie. Kimball Walker, cracked ice for the Celtics. Zach LaVine, Reggie Bullock, Andrew Wiggins. Sometimes those cracked ice are just kind of lame. No rookies or one rookie. There's a Jarrett Culver, Grant Riller, rookie for the Hornets, Nick Richards, and OG Anunoby. That's what I forgot to do. I was supposed to look up how to pronounce his last name, if it was Ryler or Riller. I haven't heard that one enough to put it to memory. I don't even know if I've heard it at all announced. Silver Steph. I saw somebody posted a silver LaMelo earlier today on some group, and it was actually really well centered. Everybody was freaking out, like, whoa. All right. Last box here. Man, that was fun. Similar to that, we pulled the Ja Morant Genesis at the height of Mosaic when it released back in the day. That was like a $1,500 to $2,000 card raw. And I remember holding that thing, and I was fairly new to breaking. This was close to a year ago. And I remember holding that thing. My legs were shaking. It's fun. Makes it fun to open cards when you can pull stuff like that. Paul George, Eric Pascal. Oh, that's an error card. Huh. Whoever got the Warriors, make a note of that whenever you get that, because unless Eric Pascal got a couple inches and changed to Kevin Looney, I think that's an error card. Almost didn't catch that. How many error cards are in this set? Because Rodney Hood's got an error card too. That's weird. I'll sleeve and top load that one, because you go 50 years down the line, that might be $1 million card, you know? The old Ken Griffey Jr. Was that Green Eye Error, whatever that is. Scar. John Collins, Ben Simmons, Austin Rivers, Kyrie Irving. That was a joke about the $1 million card too. But that is kind of a cool error if you like the Warriors. Ivica Zubac. Had Eric Gordon, silver for the Rockets. Green, Patty Mills. Sophomore stars, Rui Hachimura for the Wizards. James Harden, dominance. I have a green Clyde Drexler. That's kind of nice one there. Team USA. Kimball Walker, cracked ice. Christian Wood, Drew Holiday, and SGA for the Thunder. Man, I wish they would just hit us with a rookie or two. Just throw us one. Yeah, Elijah Hughes. Brandon Clark, second-year card. Cassius Stanley, rookie for the Pacers. Our last card is not a rookie. It is the Goofy Joe Ingles for the Jazz. I'll sleeve these cards up right quick, and then we'll do a recap. Actually, a pretty interesting break. Silver LaMelo, 2 LeBrons. They were off-centered, but I don't know why I'm sleeving this card and top-loading it. I wonder if I pulled this card already and didn't even realize it. Eric Paschall, a.k.a. Kevin Looney. Card number 71. Interesting. All right, well, let's do a recap. We only got one swatch today. That'll be that thick card you see there. Robert Woodard, cracked ice. Tyrese Halliburton, instant impact. Desmond Bain, green. I think we got 2 of those. We'll see here in a second. James Harden, silver. James Wiseman, rookie. Udoka Azubuike. Azubuike. Thank you. I had to remember how you wrote that out. Kawhi Leonard, cracked ice. Isaac Okoro, silver. Bradley Beal, sensational swatch there. I really love those things. I think that would be fun to collect this set and just have them. Nobody cares about the swatches for some reason, but I think they're kind of cool. Josh Green, cracked ice. Nikola Jokic, cracked ice. Got a silver Saddiq Bey, instant impact. Silver Bryn Forbes. Precious Achua, cracked ice for the Heat. Got Ja Morant, cracked ice. Second year card there. We're getting close to the good stuff. Patty Mills, silver. Got the LeBron tribute card there. Donovan Mitchell, cracked ice. Got an emergent LaMelo Ball. Instant impact Obi Toppin. Silver Theo Maledon for the Thunder. A silver LaMelo Ball for the Hornets. Oof. Take another look at it. That's juicy. Sorry for all the glare, but Malachi Flynn, cracked ice. We got a silver Onyeka Okongwu, emergent. Another LeBron. There's that other green Desmond Bain. Silver Steph Curry. A green Clyde Drexler, Team USA. Have a silver Eric Gordon and the ever so valuable error card. Kevin Looney, labeled as Eric Paschall. That is hilarious. You'd think they'd seen that when it's running down the line. Somebody's a card collector. Say, hey, that ain't my boy EP. That's Kevin Looney. Anyways, I'm going to hop off here, get these things sorted and ready to ship. My post office is not open on Sundays, and they probably wouldn't be open tomorrow anyways because of Easter. Actually, I don't know if they do anything for Easter because they were working today. But anyway, so these will all ship out on Monday. But I'll have them marked as shipped with a tracking number and everything ready to go in a box. So anyways, you guys take it easy. Have a good day tomorrow. I won't be doing any breaks tomorrow. Just be hanging out with the family. If you guys need something, shoot me a message on eBay or Facebook. I'd be glad to help. Otherwise, we will see you later. And yeah, congratulations on the silver LaMelo. That's pretty sweet. See y'all later.